Hi, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today I'm going to share some information about one of our most common containers that we use for shipping our material for big jobs. The 55 gallons drum that you see here, or they are about 210 liters. They have been made plastic, HDPE, meaning high density polyethylene. They can handle most of the chemicals because they are chemical resistant, and also they can have all coatings that we make here. They are actually very easy to handle them. They are about 10 kilograms and or you could say 23 pounds, 90 centimeters in height and 58 centimeters diameter. They could be they could be open head or tight head. The tight head one, they have two holes in them to use the material, and actually they are very common for handling coatings in bulk. We put 4 of them on one pallet, and we send them a lot of coatings, especially for one of our manufacturing agreements that we make. We follow their recipe to make their own materials. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the information, and see you next time. Thanks. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.